everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the points for P and Q negative 2, the coordinates, lie on this graph y equals to 2x plus 7. Find, without plotting the graph, the values of P and Q. Now I usually like to do this for students who are not very good at coordinate geometry. I like to color code, meaning that this value of P is actually a value of the y coordinate. I would also like to indicate that this is my x coordinate. And they are a pair. That means they are belonging to each other. 4 and P, Q and negative 2. And so all we have to do, right, actually is to just simply substitute the two coordinates into the equation of this line. This is what we call the equation of the graph. In this case, it's actually a line, a straight line. Then we will be able to see that we can get the values of P and Q rather easily. So I'm going to substitute 4P into y equals to 2x plus 7. Notice again, when I color code it, then you can see that my y is my P. And the corresponding value of P, in this case the x will be 4. And from here I could then be able to get the value of P very easily, 15. And I am going to do the same for Q. Okay, so substitute Q and negative 2 into y equals to 2x plus 7. So my Q will be x, my P will be y, my negative 2 will be equals to 2 times Q plus 7. And I just need to solve this. Okay, so I'm going to minus 7 on both sides of this equation, because then 7 minus 7 will be equals to, 0. And therefore you will get this. So 2Q, okay? I'll probably continue to write Q in green color. And let's continue. I'm going to push this screen up a little bit. Color code this, negative 2 and negative 7 will give me negative 9 equals to 2 times Q. So obviously from here you can then get, if 2Q is negative 9, what do I do next step? I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides of this equation. I'll get 1Q is equals to negative 4.5 or negative 4.5. Well, with that we have come to the end of this video. So you can actually see the approach of how this type of question is. Given a point, the x and y coordinate, and an equation of the line, or any equation of the graph, what Mr. Tandu will always think, can I substitute in? And if I could, I will substitute in and see what it will lead me to. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.